Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our gallery, and now we have to hold on a photo that we want to hide, for example this one. So now you have to hold on it, and here at the bottom we have to click add to album. Now right here we have to click on a private album, here we have to click OK. We have to set privacy protection password to this album. Now we have to draw this again. And as you can see, now it's hidden in a private album. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!